Hey guys, it is TJ and Mills bringing you guys a Nerf for Kelvin. By the way, this is unscripted. Kelvin versus Arya. So Arya's using his long strike, and Kelvin's using his Alpha Trooper. Kelvin's Alpha Trooper, and Arya's long strike. There's my little sister. It's one shot, one kill. So here we go. But each of them has, I think, a full 6 darts. Arya's dead. That wasn't much of a Nerf for it was just like a 1 bullet, 1 kill. So I guess we'll have one more round.
Yeah.
Well, maybe 2 more. It's 2 out of 3.
Yeah. Darts. Ready? Set. Go.
No, they're still alive. Oh! Kelvin was shot.
But I shot him over there. I went.
You didn't get him, though.
How do you know?
So the winner is Arya for that round. Now it's time for the final round. Whoever wins this one is the winner of this tournament, I guess you could say.
Remember on the bus someone knocked? That was me. Because I thought I went on bus. Just gotta be careful. I go first on bus 15, then I go to bus 20, and then I get an e-skate. So I just tell her when I was on bus 20, I knocked.
Alright, it's not even started yet.
Oh, what the heck? Go!
No, Kelvin, no going in the car.
Rapid.
I prefer the Alpha Trooper over the long strike just because, it doesn't come with a stock, but it comes with an 18 dart clip, plus, it has better range.
Got you.
Oh! And the winner is Kelvin Miller of my family.
These are mine. Can I shot them to you? You shot over there. Those are mine. And I had a clip.
Yeah, he did. He had 6, Kelvin.
Oh.
All right, guys. Bye.
I'm taking yours.